Imagine every straight line in the universe has its own unique DNA, a simple code that tells you everything about it. That code is y equals mx plus c. Let's break it down. The c is the y-intercept. Think of it as the starting block, the exact point on the vertical y-axis where the line begins its journey. If c is 5, your line crosses the vertical axis at a height of 5. Now for m, the gradient. This is the instruction, the slope. It tells you the steepness and direction. If m is 2, it means for every one step you take to the right, you go 2 steps up. A positive m means you're climbing a hill. A negative m means you're walking down one. So to sketch the line y equals 2x plus 5, you just start at 5 on the y-axis. From there, move 1 unit right and 2 units up. Plot that second point, connect them, and you're done. This code also works in reverse. If you're given 2 points on a graph, you can discover the line's secret equation. First, calculate the steepness or slope between them. That's your m. Then, use that slope and one of the points to solve for c, the starting point. You've cracked the code. And this isn't just abstract math. This code is everywhere. Think of a taxi fare. The total cost equals $2 per kilometer plus a $5 booking fee. That's c equals 2x plus 5. The rate, $2, is your gradient m. The initial fee, $5, is your starting point. Even a candle burning down follows this rule, though its gradient is negative as its height decreases over time. So y equals mx plus c is more than a formula. It's a language for describing predictable, constant change. It's the pattern behind a simple cost, a steady speed, or a consistent rate. Once you learn to read it, you start seeing the simple, elegant structure of the world around you.